Let's be real, if you're over pretending that 12-step skincare routines saved your skin, this is for you. I used to hate how my skin looked. Filters? Lifesavers. But in real life? Not it. Fix number 1, stop switching products every week. Your skin isn't a science experiment. I stuck to one gentle cleanser for 3 months, finally stopped the breakouts. Fix number 2, sleep, hydration, real food. Not sexy advice, but glowing skin starts in your gut, not Sephora. Fix number 3, SPF. Every single day. Even when it's cloudy. Sunscreen is literally the only anti-aging cream that works. Your skin doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs peace. Be consistent, be kind to it, and chill. Perfection is not the goal. Hit like if you're done chasing glass skin. Subscribe for real tips, no fluff, no filters.